At dawn, when the world still whispers in silence, the land awakens beneath open skies.
From this height, every movement below tells a story.
Its wings carry the wisdom of generations shaped by survival. This land, carved by water and time, offers both beauty and challenge. But instinct never sleeps. Every shadow, every movement is carefully measured. In a single moment, patience turns into precision. Speed becomes its greatest weapon. In the wild, survival is decided in seconds.
And life continues, as it always has.
Above the Green Kingdom, the sky belongs to the hunter.